Hello everyone. So I'm back, going to be doing a GM48 game. Turn the sound down. Get my drink here. I was gonna make a new image. I think it's under YouTube thumbnails. Yeah, so this is for the GM48 28th. The theme is companions. Yes, I only have a day and I don't have much time at all, so I'm just gonna do something in a couple hours. But I got to change this first. The 28th. Then I got to redo with the background and everything. What color do we want to use? Use this hot pink, magenta. Gradient. That's interesting. Why didn't it change this? There we go. And that's okay. Wish this wasn't green. Redo this background layer. Just delete it. Select. Move this layer down. What happened to my background? Move this over. Then select grow by 2. Change that. Get this. Change this. So make it all R and B. Select none. Looks pretty good. Save as. Is this shared out? I'm not good at watching the dashboard. So this will be 28th. File, export, GM48 28th. Export. Probably should just do JPEG. I don't know why I'm doing PNGs for those. At least that's what the default was set to. So now I can go over to change thumbnail. Open broadcaster, YouTube thumbnails. Yeah, I've kind of gotten out of the routine of doing these live streams. But just been so busy. Been working on Bartender game quite a bit. So this is GM48, so I'm using Game Maker, of course. Yeah, I thought of the name of the game was going to be Zeko Tomodachi. Perfect friend for friendly companion. Now I just need Game Maker. Game Maker 2. Game Maker. Pretty sure that I have Game Maker in my library here. Oh, there it is. It'll probably have to run a bunch of updates. Pretty sure that I have Game. Why does it want to keep updating my password? I don't know if I want to spell. I think it's. So if I go to translate from Japanese, EKKOU, Zeko no. I think it's Zeko no Tomodachi. Great friends. What if I just do Zeko Tomodachi? I think there's supposed to be a no in there. I think Zeko has possession over friend. Perfect friends. If I do it the other way. This says Idaina Yujin. I don't like that one. I like Zeko. No Tomodachi. See if this comes back with any results. Tomodachi ni. I don't know. It sounds cool even if it's grammatically incorrect. Ski. This is Tomodachi to Zeko. Zeko tsute. Session not found. That's interesting. Oh, crud. So now I gotta go to Yo-Yo Games. Hope nobody could see that. Paste that in there. How do I use Zeko? I always hear no after Zeko. That makes me think it should be Zeko no. Oops, I don't need that. Yeah, I need some like usage. Yeah, here's Zeko no, Zeko no Ongaku or something. Yeah, I don't know if that's grammatically correct or not, but that's a long name. Okay. So I don't know. So I got this new well, I've heard about this program called Asperide or Asperide or something. For a long time, I've never used it myself, so I was going to give it a try. It's like for... I don't like 1024. 1280 by 720. So where's... Yeah, I'm going to give this a try. Okay. Never used this at all before. How big do we want our guy? .32 by 32 is good, I guess. Actually, let's make him 64 tall. Our main character. How do I zoom in? Do I just scroll in? Okay. So I think you can do like layers with this. My first time using this program. How do I delete? Oh, it's black. Can't say I really know what I'm doing here. Where's my flood fill? Pixel perfect. At least I'm learning something here. How do I flood fill? Ink. Oh, here's my tools over here. Paint bucket. Yay. Oops. Give me my pencil back. Ooh, I don't need it that big. B. Actually, I want... Wish I could change all the white to gray. That's pretty good. paint bucket. Gray. Uh-oh. Where was that last color? Does it not put it on my palette? Was you? No. B. Okay. He could be a little bit taller, you know. Why is the default so big? Be like our little anime guy here. Okay. Oops. Do that. Paint. Flood fill. Okay. Now, how do I do the layers? File, save as. Where's my drives? Just need a PNG. I wonder know how to do the different layers. Layer, new layer. So I got layer 2 here. Can I do circles? Rectangle, blur, contour. Yeah, I can't do circles. Oops. Do this old school style. Okay. There's some way to do like really nice contours and things like that with this. I just don't know how to do it. Okay. It looks pretty good. I think I saw the contour tool. Contour tool. Whoa, what was that? So it's like I need to select this, pull this up, then do the contour tool. Whoa. Look at that. It can like, that's interesting. Blur. I don't understand the contour tool. This is this control. Nope. So I kind of want it like the bright side. Make them. Oops. Like that. Maybe not that one there. But something like this. Something like that. I don't need a huge eraser. Oh, that's cool that you can just pull it down like that. I don't know, I'm on the wrong layer. Oops. Hide the layers. How do I? Okay, I want this. Can do Control X. Oops. Need to rename this face. Body. Control V. And turn off the face there. So where is this? I do like the layers. It's pretty nice. Just wish I knew how to do that contour dealio. I think that will handle like doing this for you. Actually, I kind of want the arm coming down. So I need my eraser. Just have the arm come straight down like the other one. Dropper. I do like the B select. That makes things simple. Oops. Still think that's coming too far out. Okay. So I want to select darker blue. Crap. I wish I had more space for the legs. Crap. It's almost like I need a drawing pencil. Oops, that's the wrong side. Man, I cannot. Do I have more space? No. So now I want to move both of these up. Can I select both layers? Nope. Oh yeah, I can. That's pretty good for my first Aspirite dealio. How do I zoom out? There we go. That might be a little bit too much here. Oh, I thought I selected both layers. Maybe this one too many. I thought I'd move both of those. Okay, now it's time for feet. Maybe not that one. Oops. Can't believe I'm doing stupid pixel-based graphics. But it's something different. Yeah, you always got to change it up every once in a while. Just gonna obliterate. ASC. Okay. Oops. So I want. I'll zoom this in and out. There we go. Objects. OBJ player. Sprite. See if I can remember how to move this guy around. There he is. Yay! It looks really small. He could really be double this size. How do I scale this guy? Okay. There we go. I'm just going to make this a 2D overhead game. I don't know. It's an okay tool. Don't have anything bad to say about it. Paint. Where's my sprayer? It's pretty cool. I like the color picker. It's like just right here ready to go for you. Can I just copy and paste this around? Ooh. Could really like modify these up a little bit just so they don't all look exactly the same. I don't know what this smudge tool does. Polygon. What is this tool? Blur. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. Grass. Does it automatically save it as the Aspirite? Yeah. They got export sprite sheet. Export grass. Go ahead and do this 200%. I need to do that for my player too. File, export, 200%. Oh, where's my game maker? Oh, there it is. Per player. Okay. So now I need to set the background. Grass. Okay. Looks good. I need to A blob buddy. Is that something on top of his head? No. Is it going to be white or I think I'm going to make him blue. So on a new layer, actually I want to move this down. Wish there was a way just to change vibrancy. Ooh, not that much. How much right there? I'm not good at doing this shading effect. G crap. I B okay. Body, face. Looks pretty good. Oops. Oops. Save as. This will be the blob. Oops. I could do some cool wobbly blob effects with that guy. How do I move my guy around? It's been so long. Key down. I think I just need to do H speed. Is that an actual variable? It's a built-in variable. Speed gets 5. See what that does. Oops. How do I save? Forgot how to save. Hey, look at that. Don't want to use key down events. I forgot how to check for key down. Is it just key pressed? Keyboard check. I want to do Alt FS. Control S. Okay, that's pretty easy. Uh-oh. If you let up. Yeah, this isn't the perfect way to de-speed. Because what if you have up and overpressed? Going to be going twice as fast. Oops. Then I need to do the image flip. BJ player. How do you do the image flip? I already forgotten the sprite. Is it sprite width getting the image X scale? Right, it's one. It's minus one. Uh-oh, he's not centered right. I can fix that. Yeah, I think that's all I need to do right there. Actually, I can put it at bottom center. So in the blob, step. Player X gets obj player dot just extra position. Yeah, X. Oops. Actually, I wanted them to be behind. Why is he below? I don't understand that. X gets player X. Oh, maybe, yeah, it's probably because of his positioning over here. There we go. Oops, middle bottom. There we go. So now I need to do some math here. Distance gets square root of player X minus X. Throw a square. Pythagorean's theorem. I wonder if there's actually a function for doing this. So how do I go towards, I want to go toward the X and the Y. Could just subtract by 1. No. Can do subtract and assign 1. X is greater. Oops. Blob speed. See, this isn't perfect. It really should be. But since all these are integers, I'm really not worried about it. Should be like doing the sine and cosine of the difference. Should be like getting an angle. Getting the angle toward the player, then determining how much the blob should go up by. That amount. Maybe he's not offset enough. Maybe I didn't do my calculation right. Pretty sure I did. Player x minus x, player y. Square root of that. Maybe it's not taking these as fractions. Whereas real numbers, it's taking it as integers instead of square numbers or something. Yeah. I wish there was a is there game maker distance? Yeah, there's a distance to object. Distance to object. There you go. OBJ player. Oh no. Am I still like updating down here or something? Oh. Yeah, I need to undo this. Duh. I need to add a SDNF controls too. I think the player should be on top. Of the blob. Look at that. He kind of wiggles. You can't ever get exactly on X. Or Y. Why isn't the player on top of the blob? Maybe I gotta drag him down here. Nope. Is there an X position? Instances. It's probably because of this right here. should flip it after. Like, the blob should be in front until I walk in front. Should have like a walk animation. I need an enemy. What's the enemy going to be? Be evil spiders or something. I wonder if I could do a reflect. Can you do reflects in this? Yeah, too bad you can't flip a layer. You can rotate. Oh, flip horizontal, flip vertical. So basically I could do like a half of a spider. A spider head. Oops, I need it smaller. Oops. Big old fangs on this guy. So I'm going to see if I can grab half of this. Paste it. Layer. I need to flip. There we go. Oh, crap. So basically I gotta... Crud. Oops. Move it all the way over here. But now I got this other gobbledygook. So I gotta delete all this gobbledygook. Copy. V. Move this over here. Edit. Flip. Ah, crud. Like, you gotta be perfect with this. Probably a better way to do that, but I don't know. It looks pretty good to me. Can make them look better later. Spider. Need bubbles or something to shoot at enemies. Oops. I don't know. $200. There you go. Should I do the bottom again? Yeah, let's just make them all the same. I forgot how I instantiated new objects. I wonder if there's a move towards in Game Maker. Move towards point. Oops. Spider speed gets 3. I need to instantiate. Level manager. Create. Is it create instance? Instance create. Oh. Instance create. This old stuff. Why isn't this working? It's just create XY object. OBJ spider. Oh, I think the new one you gotta pass in like a layer. Depth or layer. Oh no. Okay. Set these both to 0. Can I just spawn 5 spiders? How do I do a for loop? I var I get 0, I is less than 5. I can do I plus plus. I don't think I can do that. I can do yeah, it's an assign 1. X pos gets random. How do I get the screen? Room width. So, in the spider, I think we need to use if place meeting. Where does it come up with? OBJ player. OBJ player. Oops. XY. I think it's better to use collisions. Room. Restart. Room restart. Oops. How do I make this big again? Oops. I need to redo. How do I make this big again? Why does F7 do that? F7 makes your font super small. I just want to reset the font size. Can I just close this? Why does F7 make the font super small? That makes them all super small. Crap. How do I change it? Is it under preferences or something? Preferences. Where's code editor? Oh, crap. Game Maker 2 code editor size. How do you increase the editor font? Oh, F8, great. I've got old man eyes. I can't see those tiny fonts. Okay, I can make him walk. Player 002. I hate doing stupid pixel art like this. So freaking annoying. There's the front color. I feel like I just need to erase everything. Start over. But I still need to like set these colors as favorites or something. Like I need this blue on a palette. It's like, how do I add this blue to a palette? Presets. Oh, that's pretty cool. I guess the point is to like use a set palette, not deviate from that palette. There's Virtual Boy. Load. Did that change anything? No. Here's NES. Pico 8. Well, that's pretty cool that it kind of limits you to a color set. Let's do NES. So I wish I had a color picker. Ooh, there's really orange there. I kind of like the color that I had before. Just give me this. I'll just use these colors here. I'll make do with these. So that one's right. This is where I kind of like to have a lighter. Oops. Why does that go outside the color range? Okay, so now I've kind of forced myself to use this one palette. Actually, these look backwards. Pallier. So really I could do like a new layer, I guess. Call this walk. So I can still select. On the previous layer. But I'm drawing on the walk layer. crud. Oh, I need to go down. Could be cheesy and just like raise this foot up. Raise this arm up a little bit. Pallier 3. The cheap and simple way. Nah, I wish there was a way just to select a little bit more. Yeah, that's what I wanted. There we go. I don't know how to do multiple frames on this. I think I'm probably doing this the wrong way. I don't think I changed these. So I can just add additional frames. Actually, I need to delete these old ones. Crap. Crap. How do I just import 3 at a time? Or just select multiple? Okay. Slow down. Okay, this will work. Speed 0. What was it? And V speed. Image index gets 0. Image speed gets 0. What speed did I have then? Five. That's way too fast. Here I have speed as 5. Maybe it should be 1. Like original speed or something. I don't know. So I want the blob to always look at the player. What's that weird outline there? That's weird. Then scale. Oh, what is it? Dang it. Image X scale. If X is greater. Yes, we want. Else. Oh wow. Look at all the people that joined. Yeah, I don't know what all that is in chat. Oh no, he's looking backwards. So I got my X scale backwards. Yeah, I'm making a game here. I don't have time to read chat. I'll check it every once in a while. Yeah, usually people don't post in chat. So, ooh, there's some slowdown right there. I need to have the spiders just go in random directions. So yeah, this is for the GM48, which I'm not going to have time to make a full game because there's 22 hours left. And yeah, so tomorrow at 8 p.m. my time. 8 p.m. Eastern time, I think this ends. So the theme is companion, so I was going to have like this little critter, kind of like boy and his blob, follow you around and maybe give him superpowers or have jelly beans like in, or something edible. Maybe I'll make it ice cream or something, I don't know. But yeah, so I had the spiders moving directly toward the player, but I felt that that's kind of unfair. So I think we're going to have these guys go more in Zelda style. Yeah, you don't have lives yet. I've just been working on this for a couple of hours. But I want to have it, like if you get a random variable, int, or int, random direction gets random. So is I random like an int random? Random. 4. Wish there was a way to print, or like a debug print or something. If randr equals 1, else if randr equals 2. So I need like a debug print right here. So undo. Yeah, I want to get rid of this. But I do want to have a countdown for the change. So like if change count down is less than or equal to 0, then we're going to change directions. Oops. So then I want to do, I could do H speed. That seems to work pretty well. H speed gets dir x. Actually, speed x. I don't know. Could just set it right here and not even deal with the dir values. But I do need to go here and add a create. Excuse me. Change countdown gets 0. Save that. So if change countdown is less than or equal to 0, then we're going to change this. Then we'll set change countdown back to, what is it, 30 frames a second on this? So just do 30 frames a second. Just go ahead and write it out times 5 seconds. But I still need to have a way to make it so that critters don't leave the room. That would not be good. Could just have an else right here. H speed gets spider speed. V speed gets 0. So this will be a negative spider speed. So if it's 3, do 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So I don't know if this starts out with index of 0 or 1. I'll go ahead and finish these out. Control X that, do that. And change these. 0. I'm thinking this should be 0, 1, 2, and 3. But I wonder if there's like log. I don't need math log. I need a debug or a print. VK print screen. Game maker print to, what was it, log or print to output. Print out variable name. No, I just want to print to the log. I don't want to buy I don't want to buy an add-on just to print to the log. Gotta be kidding me. I just want to print to the log. Why isn't this letting me go back? Debugging. Bug. Yeah, I'm not the most proficient game maker developer out there. I'll admit that. I do game maker a few times a year just for like GM48. Show debug message. It's like, why don't you just call it print? Hello. Do I just do a plus, or do I got to do concatenate? Let's just do this for now. See how this does. Oh, so it's printing hello. Okay. So now I want to do randomdir is random. Game maker string concatenate. Is it just concat? I bet I gotta change random to a string. It may be happy now. I'm just trying to figure out what index random starts at. See, it's giving me a real number. So I need to change. I need to get the floor. So random. Is there floor? There's got to be floor. Okay, there we go. 3. So they're moving now. Look at that. But it does start with 0. I wish they changed directions. Change directions. So yeah, I'll just go 0. 1, 2, 3. Change countdown gets this. Then we need to do change countdown, subtract, and assign 1. Save that. They're not changing. Oh, that one did. Maybe I need to turn this down. One, two. Also need to change dir. I think I want to do a simple. If x is less than 0 or y is less than 0 or x is greater than screen, no, room width, or y is greater than room height, then I'm going to force change countdown to just a quick and dirty way. That probably isn't the most elegant code right there, but like, okay, if you're outside the room bounds, just change your direction and keep changing until you're at a direction that makes the world happy. See, he's kind of jumpy right there, and he's kind of stuck, actually. But that doesn't keep me from going out of bounds. Really, I should check and make sure that I should flip the direction if you hit the bounds. Yeah, that's a bad idea right there. I just need to do h speed gets negative h speed. V speed gets negative V speed. So that will ensure that you'll automatically bounce the other way. That will make things a little bit more smooth, go a little bit more smoothly. I like how he looks around. It's so cute. He walks like Dragon Warrior, the original Dragon Warrior. I need to make the spider's legs move too. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it call it for now. Maybe come back later and have them shoot little projectiles. Yeah, exactly 2 hours. So that's a good stopping point. It'll make YouTube happy. So thanks everyone for watching.